All right, if you look at me, you probably would never think that guy's a barista. And you'd be right. I have no idea how to make fancy cups of coffees, those little hearts and thing, but with this tool, with this machine right here for the kitchen, I love it because it's compact. It fits in the RV really well. And if you want that espresso or that Americana, this espresso machine is gonna take your coffee making to the next level. Let me show you how. Really quick, it's just a touch screen, and obviously, I mean, we kind of geek out on touch screens, but one simple thing about this touch screen is that it is simple, right? Let's use that word one more time. How you make your Americano or your espresso is super, super simple. Making an espresso or an Americano is super easy. We gotta love this touchscreen. I kind of geek out when technology meets appliances, right? Like I have a toaster that does this. I have everything, just everything is coming into the touchscreen, but we're gonna follow that same plan of simplicity. You can choose whether you want a single or a double, and it makes three things really well. It makes an Americano, an espresso, and it makes an iced one as well. And right here, 1 cup, 2 cups. How simple is that? Plus you have a steamer over here on this side. This is your little steamer slash milk frother, but you're gonna need an attachment here that I don't have to froth that milk up. So you don't wanna touch this part when you're using the steamer. Ask me how I know. You wanna touch this high temperature silicone if you need to move the wand backwards or forward, depending on frothing attachment that you have. To dial it up, so you just turn the dial from off to on, and then water is just going to come out and it's going to create steam and it's going to froth your milk. The other unique feature that can be used a lot is that you don't need to froth your milk with it. It's a steamer. So if you want to make hot chocolate, you can make hot chocolate. You want to make hot water for teas, you can make hot water. And the nice thing about it is it does it really quickly. So instant hot cocoa, instant tea, and it's going to do it really quickly. Again, you just turn the knob and you're good to go. So in fact, on the back side, you got the water carrier. We just fill on the, right here your measurements. You're gonna have 1 cup, 2 cup. You just measure the water right there. And then on top right here is just a unique feature where it's gonna be a warmer. So you can take your cup, stick it right on top. If you're not ready to drink it and you just want to keep it warm, you can do that and warm up your coffee or your espresso or your Americano. Anything that's in the mug, you can warm it up. All right, so you're gonna need a grinder. This is the grinder that I rock with. You're just gonna grind up the beans right here, and then you take your scoop. I'm going to put it in here and get about a full scoop. We're going to even that out. Put this into this, and then don't forget the most important part, you got to press it down. So we're going to press it down, compact that in there, get it nice and compressed right there. All right, it's really simple. You just slide it in right here, you match it up, and then you turn it to lock it into place. And now that you have the coffee grinds in there, you're ready to go. You just come over here. Now remember that word simple, because that's the theme of the day. You turn this on right here and you press what we're gonna make. We're gonna make 1 espresso just like that. And just like that, how simple was that? How easy was that? All you gotta do is put your grinds in here, press the button of which one you want, and you're good to go. And you got yourself an espresso or an Americano or a cold one, if that's what you're looking for.